Pot of gold at the end of this rainbow, by the way. At the end of my colonoscopy, I looked at a lollipop. What do I get at the end of this? Well, how about a snack? Aside from being a major tourist attraction, this steamy collection of geothermal stink holes is also a popular means of cooking. Sedalia, a local expert on all things geothermal, has brought along some indigenous snacks to sample the culinary merits of these springs, which frankly seem dubious at best. A little tangy, you know? But she's brought